Hello, good morning, children. Today we are not going to learn any new things. We'll only do revision. Actually, we are going to discuss mainly chapter 4, first step to the internet. Don't worry, the rest of the chapter we'll discuss in detail in the next video. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today's topic, chapter 4, first step to the internet. Let's see. Before going to know about internet, we have to know what is network. So let's see what is network. Network is a group of computer connected with each other. Group of computers connected with each other. And as they are connected with each other, they can share any kind of information. It may be a file, may be a folder, any picture, video, anything. It may be anything. And these type of small networks, when joined with each other, then they will form a bigger network. And the name of that network is internet. So let's see what is internet. Internet, a huge network of computers around the world. So when a small group of computers connected with each other, they form a network. And just like that network, when many small networks joined with each other and form a bigger network, even across the world, that is internet. Now just let's see some history of internet. The American Defense Research Development Organization launched the first network in the 1960s. Here no need to confuse, as I have written 1960s. In your book you can see it is written as 1969. Yes, obviously it is 1969. But the work or the development was started before or earlier in 1969. And in the year 1969 it is launched officially. First it was only for their defense department, but later they aimed to share information on research and development in the field of science and technology through that network. So here are some of the new things that we need to know about internet access. I'm saying new things, but you already read these all. Already discussed in our videos. Let's see again for the revision. First one, www. That's mean World Wide Web. But what is it? www. www, actually it's a system of interlinked page that contain variety of information. And who can access this? People around the world, they can access this system. Simply I can say, if any web page is connected with this system, only then it will be visible through the internet. In short, we can say this. www means World Wide Web. It's a system. If we want to see some website through the internet, that web pages must be interlinked with this system. That is www. So as we are talking about web pages, what is it? Individual pages that collectively form the www. Few web pages that are connected with each other, and they must connected with the system of www. Only then I said it will be visible through the internet. Third one, web browser. What is web browser? Actually, it's an application software or a program used to locate and display web pages. We have some internet connection, we know what is the web page address, but we don't have any browser, so we can't see any kind of web page. If we want to access any kind of web page, then we have to install some browser. If we are using Windows 7 or Windows 10 based operating system, then we can see Microsoft Internet Explorer is the pre-installed browser is there. Along with, we already discussed in our video, there is several browsers: Mozilla Firefox, Opera. These are all popular example of web browser. So if we want to access some web page, www, that's been World Wide Web, is a system that we need. Along with, we need one web browser through which we can visit any web page. Let's see the next. Website. Why will we use web browser? To locate and display any web pages. Now look at this. What is website? This is a collection of one or more related web pages. Website does not contain any single page, because within that single page we can't share all different kind of information of any particular topic. We need more and more pages. Suppose I'm giving you one example here. Here in our school website, there is also several page. One is home page. That's mean whenever you will write www.vsn.ac.in, then just we need to press enter and we can see one web page on our screen. And there is several web page, those are all linked with each other through a system that is called hyperlink. Here don't mix up these two systems. When several web pages are connected with each other through some system, that is called hyperlinks. And these all web pages all together called website. And when any website is linked with some system which can give us access to these web pages through internet, that system is called www. I hope it is clear. Then web address. Forget about web. What is meant by address? Address means some location or the area where we want to move. Just like our physical address, web address means address of any particular website that you have to know. Only then we can access that web pages. Now let's see the next. Uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? Let's see. We can get update information on almost every possible field. Internet, you can say, a ocean of information. Never ending information is there. We can't imagine. If we want to make some food, we can search that through internet. If we want to study also, we can also search through internet. And almost all the topics are there. Whatever we want, we can access it. Next, we can send message known as emails to any part of the world very easily. Emails, that means electronic mails. How we can send these electronic mails today? We know we need a computer, but through some smartphone also we can send this. That means several devices or several gadgets are there around us which can help us to access internet. And if we can access this internet, that's mean we can communicate with any person wherever he or she is, maybe across the world. Even anyone, imagine if anyone is in space, how they can communicate? That communication also part of internet. Next, we can chat easily with our friends, family, even if they are far away from us. It doesn't mean only for emails. We can send emails to anyone wherever they are. We can chat also. Process of chatting is mainly three types. Text, you can send some message through text, or maybe you can send message through your voice, that is audio, or through audio or video. Let's see the next. We can buy anything easily through internet. I hope you know this better, as there are several websites, or you may say electronic malls are there, which are very popular today. I'm taking few names: Flipkart, Amazon. I hope you are all familiar with these names. These are most popular electronics malls which we can access through internet, and we can buy anything easily. Pay bills, book movie tickets. It's too easy today. As we are using internet, we can do anything by using a mouse click. And suppose we want to visit somewhere, okay, anywhere within India or across India, whatever it is, we can book tickets, flight tickets, train tickets, along with any. We can book any hotel or restaurant. That is also available through internet, and it is very easy. We can do anything by using a mouse click. We are habited with this internet system from the morning to the end of the day. Now just take a quick look on some disadvantages also. First one, always use antivirus to avoid harmful applications. You know, there are several applications which we are using to access not only internet, even for different kind of task within our computer. Suppose if we want to paint, then there is paint application is there. If we want to play some music or some videos, we need some separate applications. It doesn't mean only about internet. So we need some antivirus software which can help us or which can protect us from these harmful applications. And that should be updated. Ignore all unwanted emails. As we are connected with internet, that's mean we are connected with the whole world. And within this world, you know, few things are not good. Next, we should always look up reliable sites. As I told you, if we are connected with the internet, that's mean we are connected with the whole world. And there are several information that is spread around the world, and those are not all correct. So we should always look up reliable sites. Do not share any personal information to any stranger. It's not only about our physical life, same for internet. Do not share any personal information to any stranger. As you are connected with internet, anyone can communicate with you. from any corner of this world, and all of those persons are not good. I must say they are not good always. So if you don't know any person and you are communicating with him or her, do not share your, especially your user ID, passwords. They may ask your phone number or any other personal information. Don't share this information with them, because they can steal any kind of information from your computer, personal database. They can steal any kind of information. Netiquette. What is it? A special set of manners to be followed when using the internet. That is called netiquette. Let's see. First, spell check. What you have written to help others understand you correctly. Spell check what you have written to help others understand you correctly. This is the first one. Look at the second one. Do not use all caps in your online message. Why? Why we can't use all capital letters in our online message? Because if we will follow this, there is a symbol of shouting. There is a soft symbol, as we cannot touch it, these are all softwares. So while we are sending some message through online, through some softwares, so there is a rule: if we write all in caps, that's mean in capital letters, it's a symbol of shouting. So don't use all caps. Look at the third one. Be truthful the information you provided online. You may say, just before it you said do not share any personal information or do not share information with stranger, but while you are using internet, maybe you have to give some personal information on some websites, but while you are entering those information, you have to be truthful about that. Why? Because all of those websites are not bad. Yes, a few websites are there which can steal your information, definitely, but you have to be well, you have to be truthful about your information. If the site is perfect, okay, suppose you enter into your school website, so there is no harmful things. So until you enter your correct user ID and password, you cannot access this website. So you have to be truthful. And not only this, suppose within this school website, if you get some form to fill your personal information, few personal information that is required for your school, so you have to be truthful about it. So for today, that's all. Thank you. I hope all the things are clear. If not clear, I told you, just need to drop one mail to our mailbox. But please write in detail about your problem, and it will be easy for us to answer you. So stay home and stay safe. Don't go outside. No need to say this. We're all familiar with this right now, and we hope we'll relieve from this pandemic very soon. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.